Very happy morning, students. So, in today's topic, we are going to discuss about the arguments which are favoring social responsibility, but how the question comes. Let's deal one of the question here. Let's see. Like an individual, business enterprise should also be loyal citizen of the state. That means whatever the responsibilities which are being fulfilled by an individual human being, similarly those responsibilities should also be fulfilled by a businessman. It has to be done. Why? This question is there. Now, first of all, let us understand a very small thing. A businessman is doing business, but where? In the society. He is not doing the business in isolation. He is not staying apart. He is in the society. He is using the resources of the society. He is making the product in the society. He is selling the goods in the society. So whatever he is doing in the society. So that is why it is the responsibility of a businessman to fulfill the requirement of the society. That is why it has been said, like an individual, business enterprise should also be a loyal citizen. They have to also think for the society, because the society is the one who is providing each and everything for to the businessman. So it is the responsibility of businessmen to provide all those things which are required by the society. Let us understand this one through few points. Okay, first point, this is justification for existence. Justification for existence. That means if a business want to exist, if a business want to grow, if a businessman want to continue its business in long run, if he wants to expand the business, then he has to fulfill the social responsibility. Because if he will not do such things, why the society will approve him? Why the society will accept him? Why the society will accept his business? Because if he is not fulfilling the responsibility of the society, how the society can expect, how he can expect the society to accept his business? So it is very much important to fulfill the expectation of society, so that the society will also support him, support his business. So this is what we are saying, justification for existence. We want to continue our business in long run, so we have to fulfill the expectation of the people in the society. Now, who are they? They are the customers who are expecting a good product at a reasonable price. They are the employees who really want a fair salary or wages. The government is there, who expect the taxes to be paid on time, who expect the laws, the rules and regulations which are made by them should be followed by the business enterprises. These are the suppliers who expect the payment should be done on time. This is the society who want a responsible behavior, who expect a responsible behavior from the businessmen. So for our own justification for existence, we have to fulfill the social responsibility. Now come to the second point, avoidance of government regulations. Avoidance of government regulations. Government is making new rules, new laws every day. Why the government is making so many new rules and regulations every time? Why it is making the modification? Have you ever thought about this? What is the use of government? Why is it wasting time behind all these things? You know why? Because of us. Because of us only the government is doing. Because we are the one who are not fulfilling the expectation of the government. We are not paying tax on the time. We are not following the law. We are not following the rules and regulations which are made by the government. That is why the government has to make new rules and regulations again and again. So it is very much important to follow the laws, to follow the rules, to pay the tax, everything you have to do which has been made by the government on time, so that the government should not think for making new rules. It means to say, just if we want to avoid new complications, we have to at least follow the rules which are being formed now. Okay, so it is very much important that we should fulfill the expectation of the government, so that the government should not get involved in making new laws again for us, so that we will be a little bit relaxed here. Okay, then next term is long term interest. Obviously, long term interest, if we want to continue the business in long run, it is very much important that we should fulfill the social responsibility, because if we don't think for the society, society will also not think for us. Then how it is possible to continue the business in future? Our business, we will not earn profit in future. Our business cannot run in the long run. So it is very much important to fulfill the social responsibility, so that we can continue our business in future without any problem. So for our own existence, we have to fulfill the social responsibility. Now let's come to the next topic, that is maintenance of society. Now this one, maintenance of society, how we can maintain the society, how businessmen can maintain the society. Now think about it. Yes, businessman can do, because sometimes we perform certain things which will somehow encourage other people to do some antisocial activities. For example, if we do black marketing, if we just hold out the things at in the godown and we don't sell it, we are expecting that in future when the prices will be high, that time we will sell, and we are keeping the things in the godown, and this will encourage those people who really require those things that time to steal the things from your godown. So somehow we are motivating the people to do antisocial activities. So if we will not do such wrong things, people will also not be motivated to perform these works. So it is very much important to maintain the society, and through our own behavior we can maintain the society. If we will justify the things, if we will provide whatever we are having to the society at the right time, we should not do any wrong work, it will also help to maintain the society. So it is also one of our responsibility. Next one is number 5, availability of resources. Availability of resources. Actually, a business enterprise is having huge resource like financial resource, because business enterprises having really a good amount of finance. That amount they are using for buying the raw materials for day-to-day activities of the business, to satisfy the demand of the shareholders, employees, and everyone. So businessman is having huge financial resources. Similarly, human resources are also there. They are having the experiences from the business, how to tackle the problem and how to find out the solutions. So the business persons are having good resources, and with the help of those resources only they can solve the social problems. Whatever the problems which are being faced in the society, somehow it can be solved. That is why it is expected that the businessmen should fulfill the social responsibility. This is what it has been said. Availability of the resources are available to businessmen, and through these resources they can solve out the problems of the society. So this is what we are saying here. Next one is converting the problems into opportunities. This one is converting problems into opportunity. Actually, if I give a very small example, converting problem into opportunity, and this is one of the example which we can somehow relate with us. For example, if we are sitting at home and we want to buy things from a particular restaurant, it is really a very good restaurant in our locality, but because of certain reason we can't go there, and the problem is that that restaurant does not give home delivery facility. Now what, we have to either go to that particular restaurant or we have to change our plan. These are the two options. But now what happened, because of these delivery system like Zomato and Swiggy, we are sitting at home, and if that restaurant is connected with the Zomato and Swiggy, we can order it online, when we don't have to go there, and they do not have the restaurant do not have the facility to deliver the product, but they are somehow connected with Zomato. That is why we can order the things from there. So what happened, the firm, when the company Zomato has started this idea, what they have thought, they have seen this problem. Okay, the problem is there, the problem of home delivery is there, so they have came out with this particular approach, and they had converted this problem into opportunity. This is an opportunity for them. Without making any investment in restaurant, they are taking the product from a particular restaurant and supplying to us, and in midway they are earning their commission, they are earning commission. So this is what businessmen do, they convert the problem into opportunity. This is the special characteristics of a business person. Now beside this, the next one is better environment for doing business. So seventh point is better environment, because we know that when the environment is good, we want to do the work over there. If we go to a place where a lot of problems occur, or every time riots and different type of issues are there, we don't want to continue our business over there. But on the same time, if we are getting an opportunity to do business in other places where the situation is good, people are very nice, and the whole area is quite peaceful, so we want to do our business there. So it's not possible to find out these type of places, we can't shift our business. So what we can do, we try to solve out the problem of the nearby localities, and it will help us to run our business smoothly. So what will happen, through fulfilling the social responsibility, we can get a better environment. And last but not the least, that is holding responsible for the social problems. Actually, you can say that we are responsible for social problems. You know how? Yes. We are the businessmen are the one who are creating pollution. We are the one whose workplace are not safe. Nowadays, nobody especially the ladies don't want to work night shift in the offices and all, because this is not safe. And who has created all these things? The businessmen only, na? So it is their responsibility to fulfill all the desires of the society, so that the people will be more comfortable. So when we are creating the problems, it is our responsibility to solve the problems also. So through all these points, we can understand what are the steps we can take to solve out the problems, and how we can be like a loyal citizen. That means how a businessman can act as a loyal citizen, what are the things they have to perform, and how they can survive in the long run. I hope the question is clear to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.